You have built a Flutter app and you want to share some content to your friend through other applications like Facebook or WhatsApp. Here is how you can achieve it. Today we are diving into a super common and incredibly useful feature for any mobile apps: sharing content. Whether it's text, an image, a file, or even a link, you will almost certainly want to give your users the ability to share things from your app with their friends. In Flutter, the easiest way to do that is with the Share Plus package. So what exactly is Share Plus? It's a Flutter package that provides a simple API for sharing content to other applications installed on the device. It handles all the platform-specific configuration for you, meaning you write one line of code and it works on both Android and iOS. Let's jump straight into how to integrate it into your project. First thing first, we need to add Share Plus to our pubspec.yaml file under your dependencies. Now that we have the package installed, let's create a simple example. For this demonstration, I'm going to create a basic screen with a few buttons, each demonstrating a different sharing capability. First, let's look at sharing simple text. This is probably the most common use case. And just like that, when we tap the Share Text button, the native share sheet pops up, allowing us to send our text through any compatible app. Messaging, email, social media, you name it. It's incredibly straightforward. What if you want to share an URL? Share Plus handles this beautifully. You can pass in a URI argument, which is great for sharing HTTP URL. Now let's get into sharing files. This is where things get a little more interesting. To share a file, we first need to have a file accessible to our app. For this example, here I have created a temporary file and wrote some content to the file. Now to share this file, we can pass a files argument. We just need to pass the file through the files argument. Now you can see we are able to share the file. Not only that, file argument takes a list of X file, means it's actually supporting sharing multiple files. We just need to add them in a list. In conclusion, Share Plus is incredibly versatile and easy to use. It's an essential tool in your Flutter development toolkit. Remember to check the official documentation on pub.dev for the very latest features and any platform-specific consideration, especially regarding permissions for file sharing. If you find this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next tutorial.